Greetings, Velorians. I am MyNamesTee, a community manager here on Velora.tv. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your profile and give it that flair that you personally want to add. To begin, click your name at the top right corner. Go to Settings. We are already on the right menu, so we don't need to go anywhere. You have your basics such as your channel avatar, your cover banner, your username, your display name, as well as your bio. Next, we have branding. Here you can pick your accent color, as well as your background color, and your combined call to action buttons such as follow, sub, vaults, and channel point buttons. You can pick from a preset of colors by clicking the color square here, or provide your own custom hex color code right here. Next, we have community label. I'll zoom in so this is more clear. Here you can name a new follower as well as your group of followers. Your singular name should be something like has joined a colony, has joined the book club. Plural could be the name of your entire community, such as book lovers, toast crew, or music enjoyers. Next, we have background textures. There is a wide selection of backgrounds you can pick from. Anyone that you fancy you can pick from as well. Next, we have a texture intensity. This is just a saturation control to control how bright and how vibrant the background is. Then we have an enable background textures on profile checkbox. This essentially disables the background textures you select here. Then we have display fonts. We have a wide selection of fonts as well. You can pick and choose from to give your profile that font vibe you're looking for, as well as a custom font control slider. If you don't like the font you have picked, there is a clear button. Lastly, we have a small preview down here so you can see your customizations in action without needing to go to your profile. If we scroll up, we find a button that says links. Here you can add links such as your YouTube channel, your Twitter, as well as some Linktree services that you use to combine all of your links. Lastly, we've got Signal Boost. Got a couple of friends you wish to spotlight on your channel? How about 6 of them? To use it, we have a search creator search box right here. Type in the name of the friend you wish to display. I'll be picking Tougher Mr. Dino. Click Add. Here you can give a custom headline, an optional tagline description, as well as an accent color. If you are happy with your selection of friends, make sure you select Save Feature Creators. Please consider subscribing to the official Velora.tv YouTube channel, where more tutorials and how-to videos are expected. See you next time!